everyone. Welcome to Learning English with BodhiSutra. Today we are going to take a look at a conversation between two friends talking about India at Tokyo Olympics 2021. Now let's take a look at this conversation. Hey, did you hear the news? What news? Indian women's hockey team is in the semi-finals. Oh yeah, these women are doing us proud. Yes, finally, India is being counted at the Olympics 2021. Well, we have had Olympic heroes in the past. Yes, we have had, but they were few and far in between. I mean, this is perhaps the first Olympics where so many Indian athletes are coming close to winning medals. That is true. We already have 2 medals. We may get a couple more. Yes, in coming years, we will do much better in Olympics. Why do you think so? Well, we are now in sports. There is more awareness, more money. So, you think India did not win medals in so many years because our economy was poor? Well, it affects everything, doesn't it? Perhaps, but we are a country of 1.2 billion people. Yes, but to win Olympic medals, you need world-class training, support, infrastructure. How can a poor country afford all of that? True. That is why you could see India's performance in Olympics improving after our economy started growing. That is true, but does it mean it is money that gets you Olympic medals? No, silly. When did I say that? But didn't you just say that India started winning medals after its economy started growing? Isn't that true? It is true, but doesn't mean money brings medals. Of course not. Money gets you good training, support, and infrastructure. Then you have to work hard and train. Without proper training and facilities, the hard work of our athletes would go wasted. That's true. Haven't you heard of stories about Indian players going to Olympics without proper shoes and equipment? Yes, I have. Now, I'm not sure if those stories are indeed true, but imagine how difficult it would be to win a medal when you don't even have proper shoes. I agree, it is indeed difficult. See, that's the connection between economy and medals. You need to be able to afford proper training, diet, and support. Definitely. And this is why you feel India will perform even better in future Olympics? Yes, because our economy is growing. So, we will be able to afford more training and support for more athletes. Yes, also these success stories will inspire more and more kids too. True, even parents will see that kids can have a future in sports. Of course, one victory can inspire so many others. True, when Kapil Dev won the World Cup, it started the cricket mania in India. True, today India is one of the top countries in cricket. Yes, we have such a large talent pool too. Agreed. Well, let us hope we get to see more success in the Olympics in near future. Anyway, it is getting late and I think I shall take your leave. Okay, see you soon. Yeah, bye. All right. So this was a conversation between two friends talking about India at Tokyo Olympics 2021. Hope you all understood the conversation and you were able to follow through the conversation. See you all for more such interesting conversations in future. Bye.